In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install 1688 app. By the end, you'll have the 1688 Alibaba app up and running on your Android device, even if it's not available in your local app store. Start by opening your web browser. I'll use Chrome, but any modern browser on your phone will work. We're going to download the app as an APK file from a trustworthy source. Head to a reputable APK website, such as APK Pure. Sticking with well-known sites helps reduce the risk of corrupted or tampered files. On the site, use the search bar and type 1688 Alibaba. You might see it listed simply as 1688 with Alibaba in the description. Open the app's page and look for the most recent version. Choosing the latest release ensures you get the newest features and security patches. When you tap download, you may be prompted to confirm the file. If you see multiple buttons, choose the standard APK download and avoid anything that looks like an ad. While the file is downloading, prepare your phone to allow the installation. Android blocks unknown app installs by default, so you'll need to change one setting. Go to Settings, then Security, and find Install Unknown Apps. The wording can vary slightly depending on your device, but you're looking for the option that lets specific apps install from outside the store. Select your browser, like Chrome, and toggle on Allow from this source. This tells your phone that downloads coming from that browser are permitted to install. Once that's enabled, return to your download. You can pull down your notification shade and tap the APK file, or open your downloads folder and tap it there. Confirm install when prompted. Your device may quickly scan the file before proceeding. After a few moments, you should see that the installation is complete. Tap Open to launch the 1688 app right away. If anything doesn't install, double check that you allowed installation from your browser, make sure you downloaded the latest version, and confirm you have enough storage and a stable internet connection. If the download paused or failed, re-download the file from the same trusted page. That's it. You opened your browser, went to a trusted APK site, searched for 1688 Alibaba, downloaded the latest APK, allowed installation from your browser in settings, and then installed and opened the app. Keep in mind, for safety, only use reputable sources when downloading APKs. Enjoy exploring the 1688 app on your device.